Top salespeople, they shine with something we call conviction. They have this absolute catching belief about themselves, their product, their service, their company.
It's just proud that just because you are banging on the door. Sorry, I'm not interested. Don't bother me.
I need to speak with him.
No soliciting. You know what that means?
He was upset. What's up, guys? How you guys feeling? You guys ready to make some plays today?
Let's go.
Right? I always kind of look at it like I didn't fly all the way to California not to make plays. You know, you can make plays, or you can make excuses, but you can't make both. They're not walking into the field and saying, am I going to get a sale today? They know they're going to produce. They know that they don't work for free. They know that they have the ability to create the decision, otherwise known as closing. A good deal is a state of mind. First thing I'm doing before I knock on the door is I'm saying, this is ridiculous, dude. They get crushed in the sun. Like, I think it's ridiculous for this person to want to stay with PG&E. It's completely self-facing growth. I can put together a report that's going to make so much sense based on this person's situation. I'm pulling up the house before I knock on the door. I use an app called Knock Buddy because I have the house pulled up and I have the sun hours. I can actually show them how much sun they get in the winter, how much sun they get in the summer. I can show them exactly where the panels would be laid out. I can show them all the sun hours, but what I'm doing at the very beginning of my presentation is I'm creating that curiosity.
What's up, everybody? This is an important thing to understand, is that words filter through people's past experiences, right? When I say orange, I get 20 different thoughts from people. So the reason why I bring that up is when you're on the door and you're communicating with somebody, what you say to this person might not reflect the same way you say it to this person. So we knock 10 doors, we give 10 presentations, we get to the 10th person, they finally want to see the information. Spend time with the winners. Like, really kill that bill, point out the charges. So I want to really build pain in the process, build pain in their utility bill, right? And again, spend time with the winners. If you knock 10 doors to get a deal, make sure you're really killing the deal and setting up a good close for when the project managers are coming back by.
With the Ric Flair! Woo! With the Ric Flair! Woo!
Hi, sir. Sorry I'm late. I don't know if you kind of knew about what was going on. Like, I feel way better about my life now.
What is he wearing? Is it a blanket or is it a jacket? What do you think? Eskimo.
I feel kind of ridiculous with this thing on. I think I should just take it off, yeah.
So Taylor's about to go knock.
Let's see the magic.
Hello? Hi, how are you, sir? I was looking for the owner of the home here at 1140.
Yeah.
I take it that's you?
Yeah.
I was actually the one that put together the report for this location. We're utilizing a few corner homes as references, kind of like what we refer to as model homes.
Sorry, I'm not interested. Don't bother me, please. Thank you.
Oh no, we haven't we haven't picked the home yet. It's
No, just stop. No. You woke up. I had a night shift. You want me?
Oh, you had a night shift?
Yeah.
So you must be pretty sleepy.
Yeah. So I just proud that just because you are banging on the door.
Oh no, I just knocked on the door.
but
Everyone's
still.
been super friendly, but
I'm so sorry.
bottom line is I already completed the report.
Yeah.
If I was to drop it off, would you look at it or would you rip it up? Like if I was to drop it off when you're less tired.
No. So don't worry about it. Don't worry. I'm not gonna look at it anyway.
I appreciate your time, man. God bless you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just need to speak with the... Yeah. I need to speak with... Call the police about what, dude? Oh no, I'm actually pretty busy out here too. I'm not like selling anything. You guys already have the solar panels, so there's nothing.
I already got solar panels.
Back by at another time. I can see you're super busy, sir. Yeah, my name's Taylor. So everybody that has solar panels out here, you guys are connected to something called a smart meter. Did you guys still get the bill from PG&E, or are they giving you?
True up there because I'm a homeowner that owns the solar. It's just me and PG&E.
People want to get rid of that bill with PG&E
How do I do that?
by adding a battery to the system because it optimizes the system. When you guys put solar on, it was probably a few years ago where it didn't require the battery.
No, you gotta have a battery.
Yep.
You gotta have it all.
So-
Otherwise, you're selling your kilowatts 9 cents a kilowatt to PG&E.
Yeah.
And you could be making $30 or $40 a kilowatt.
So what I would propose, adding a battery to the existing system, taking the money that you would have given to PG&E for the true up to end up funding the project.
Here's what I want to understand.
I'm Taylor, by the way.
Steve.
Steve, pleasure.
I figured it out. A battery's going to cost me around 10 grand or something like that.
It normally would. What I would propose is utilizing you as what we refer to as a model home, where if we could use you as a reference, keep one of our small little signs right here in the front planter.
Yeah.
Instead of you coming out of pocket to buy the battery, what we would propose is just having a very small fixed monthly amount for that battery with the money you would have given to PG&E.
No, I'm just saying, like this stuff was supposed to be free. The
It
battery.
was, yeah.
Yeah, from PG&E.
Yeah.
Yeah. and
That's what they say. It's a free battery. That's
Yeah.
like the thing.
Paying them a true up, which is, involves that 9 cents a kilowatt, and all that.
Yeah.
I mean, they
Well-
might as well take it for free,
So all we want to do is set up a time when we both have it.
So if I got a battery and I'm saving all my extra power I don't use, right?
Uh-huh.
I can go ahead and turn that on in the peak time instead of paying PG&E, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Do you have a copy of the true up or the PG&E bill anywhere on your phone or a paper copy just
Yeah,
laying
I'll
around?
have that tomorrow.
All right, I'm just gonna send you a quick text, and this
You
is
are nice.
this texted you, so you have it. Tomorrow at 4 p.m. he'll be here.
Yeah.
He'll have the system designed. There's no way you could pull up your PG&E bill real quick, so he could have the system designed for tomorrow. I haven't confirmed yet, but he's okay with keeping the sign right here for 6 months. Tomorrow we'll serve you at the highest level. If we can't help you, we don't do it. I appreciate you being cool. You're like one of the coolest guys I met all day today. So thank you. Hey PG&E, we have a message for you. Let go. Hi, ma'am. How are you? My name is Taylor McCarthy. I'll pretty much cut to the chase. Do you guys still get an electric bill from PG&E, like a true-up bill?
Yes.
What I would propose is, if possible, we would add a battery to the system and add maybe 6 to 8 panels to the existing system. Do you know roughly how much the PG&E bill comes to, though? Roughly?
Over 1,000.
So thank you very much, but not this time. If I buy the battery, I buy from Tesla because they are the same system. Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna buy a battery.
Yeah, we buy the battery. If we buy the,
Because
You should look into it though, because you're paying over.
thank you so much. Yeah.
God bless. It's a little bit different. We need to let you know what's going to happen next Tuesday. And it's 10 degrees out here in California. All right, here we are. We're on our 6th day out here in California. Selling salesman on selling, having a bunch of fun while we've been out here. We're trying to stay warm. It was freezing cold yesterday. I had to get a wearable blanket. Yes, it was worth it. And it's our last day here in Northern California. We're off to LA tomorrow, and we had a couple hours in the field, so let's see if we can make a play. All right, do you guys want to knock?
Knock, knock.
Hello, Mr. Vallejo? Looking for the Vallejos?
No, thank you.
Off to the next one. Perfect presentation, nothing I can do. All right, goal right now, guys, is just to put ourselves in front of as many people as possible. I'd say if you guys really want to hear me present, you could literally knock on a door, get somebody to answer and say, hey, my engineer needs to speak with you. He's gonna be here in 2 minutes. And then just wave me down and I go to the house. Excuse me? Hi, do you know where Winter Court is?
I don't know more English.
What language do you speak?
Farsi.
Does anybody speak Farsi that could come back and speak with him next week? He's interested. You like it, right?
Yeah, thank you.
Here we are for the 1 knock challenge. We're here with your boy Yoshi, and let's give him a rating from 1 to 10. Let's see what he's got.
No soliciting. You know what that means?
He's not with sale. Hey, buddy. 1 to our challenge. He was upset. Everything has to stay the same. Yeah. Did you receive an electric statement that said do not pay already from PG&E?
I don't know. I haven't paid attention. You're calling about solar? Is that what it is?
It used to be about solar. Now it's just whether or not you were paid properly.
I'm on a business call right
Okay.
now, so it's really not a good time if you want to come back in like a half an hour or so.
Yeah, so I'll be back in it's 12:54 right now. I'll shoot for right around 1:30.
Okay.
All right, thank you, Miss Zubra. Bro, see, this is the first thing I have when I knock on the door. Hi, how are you? I was the engineer that took care of all the neighbors on the street. You have a pool in the back, correct? Yeah. Pretty much what I'm showing you is the back of the home. It's the imagery that was taken of all these homes. Are you getting a bill that says do not pay right now?
Can you summarize? I wasn't expecting to have this meeting now.
We're utilizing a few homes as references. That's what the new electric bill would look like. I understand the hardest part of our job is timing. We just look for a time when we could show you guys the report. Sounds like you're kind of busy. I appreciate your time, and my name was Taylor. I don't want to try to convince you to do it. I just know I can help your situation. And I think what a lot of families realize is if they could just pay less on their bills, it would help you guys and your family out a lot better. We'll be here. I'll have them call you Friday. If not, we'll see you Saturday at 11. All right, thank you. You guys wouldn't happen to be homeowners out here. I've been running into everybody that's renters pretty much. You guys rent or own? You guys do rent? Yeah. Or are you looking to do something to make more money? We go to people that have PG&E and help them lower their bill. I don't know if I could get you a job, but I could probably get you an interview. Isaac, he's one of the managers. Yeah, I'll just take his number and see if you can help him. Not too many people home, but we got an appointment set. You're just gonna go lock it down in 30 minutes. Hello, how are you?
How are you?
Hey, sorry I'm late. We did want to do about 2 more. Are you the owner of the house here?
She's not here.
Is there a certain time that would be good to catch the homeowner so I could...
She won't be back in probably until like 7 or 8.
And I'll have one of the lead engineers pop by like 7:30.
For sure.
All right, thank you.
Enjoy your day.
Yeah, you too. Hello, hello. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Hey, sorry to bother you. My name is Taylor McCarthy. You are the homeowner here at 437. I don't know if you guys had already received a statement from the utility company.
I don't know. I honestly don't deal with any of it.
We've just had a lot of inquiries because people realize PG&E is the monopoly. This is a perfect location. We just have to be able to find the time to show you the report. I'll text you the report, and if you guys want me to pop back by, I can. If you don't, I can just drop off like once I'm finished with the neighbors at 7.
Okay.
What's the best contact number?
209.
Appreciate your time. Thanks for not yelling at me or anything like that. Everyone's been pretty friendly out here.
I know.
Thank you. Repetition. I said the same thing multiple times, but you see the second or third time I said it, that's when they actually understood it. Hi, we got you. Gotcha. Hello, Taylor.
Taylor what?
McCarthy. How are you, man? It's been a long time. You don't recognize me?
No, I sure don't.
I was the one that put together the report for this location.
I'll save you a lot of time. Here's the point.
Yeah.
I rent here.
Oh, you rent?
Yeah, I don't own this home.
Gotcha. Yeah. No, that's cool.
I'm really not concerned about that.
I'm
fine with my PG&E bill. I'm doing all right. I'm retired.
Like, I can't sell you anything even if I wanted to because you're a renter. I appreciate your time. You have a very sunny roof, sir. Oh, no, thank you. I appreciate you being cool with me. I appreciate it. God bless. Take care. Yeah, God bless. Hello. Hi, how are you? Pretty much what I'm showing you is the aerial imagery that was conducted. What we would propose is utilizing this as what we call a model home.
I should probably stop you because I rent.
I appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Take care. I'm Taylor. Okay, so you can kind of see the way that I'm operating out here, whether they're owners, whether they're renters. Like, that's what you want to see, like being repetitive. All those little things make a big difference. And just having fun. You could see, like, I'm starting to build the momentum, right? We talked 3-4 doors. I create the momentum. I get a small little win, then I get another win, then I get another win, then I get another win, and then I get lucky and I get a sale. I use the app. You guys don't need to use the app, but I just like to personalize the opportunity. It gives me more control when I could do that. All right, guys. Well, thanks for having me. We're off to Los Angeles.
It's like fennel seeds.
Fennel seeds.
Dude, my teeth are so bad right now. I need something like...
It's good, bro.
10 out of 10. No, 15 out of 10.
Don't do that.
If it's not spicy, if it's not spicy though, I'm letting you know.
I can't take a little bite too. You're gonna take a little dip, Taylor.
No,
because you can't. You can't do that. You gotta take a little dip.
That's 3.
Oh, bro.
You gotta take a full bite.
What's going on?
Taylor's gonna try some too.
I ain't trying shit, dude. These kids are about to try the spiciest Indian food that's ever existed, bro.
Only way I eat a bite and eat a full bite is if Taylor takes a little piece and Nami just dips it a little bit.
Just your finger. Let him dip your finger.
This is pinky finger.
I'll dip in this one.
That's a sweet sauce.
Yeah, I sell any freaking offer. It don't matter, cause you know I do this proper. See me in my Nikes, I ain't dressing dapper. Been